So here on my screen, you should see mixed numbers and improper fractions. And if you recall, a mixed number is, a whole number, sorry, a whole number and a fraction. So like 2 1/3 is a mixed number. And an improper fraction is where we have our numerator is bigger than our denominator. So we want to go from our mixed number to our improper fraction. And if you recall, we do that by doing the circle. 3 times 2 is 6, and we add our 6 to our 1. 6 plus 1 gets us 7. So we have 7/3. Our denominator stays the exact same. Our numerator, we just do the circle and have our numerator there. So let's take a look at this problem here. We've got 10 4/5, and we're trying to make it into an improper fraction. So right away, I know that my denominator is going to be 5. Done, got that. Now I just have to find my numerator, and you do your circle. 5 times 10 plus 4. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 4 is 54. So our answer is 54/5 is our improper fraction. And another one. So once again, our denominator is going to be 9. I don't have to do anything yet. I just know my denominator is 9. Same denominator here as it is here. Then do your circle. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 7. Do your addition here on your circle. And 27 plus 7, you know how to add. 27 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry your 1, and you would get 34. 34. And that's your answer because we did the circle. We changed it from a mixed number to an improper fraction. And we've learned how to do that before any of this happened. We learned how to do circles with our improper fractions and mixed numbers. So we just multiply 9 times 3, add 7 to that, and we got 34. 9ths is our answer. Okay, one more, and then I'll take some questions. 6 times 4, so remember your circle, you start at your denominator, and if you want to write 6 as your denominator before you keep going, that works too. 6 times 4 is 24. And then you take your 24 and you add 5. 24 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9. So you're going to get 29/6. 29/6 is your answer. Any questions on that? Fatuma, did you see how I got that as your answer? I am going to assume you did. Great. Thanks, Fatuma, for responding. Okay, so that was level 5. Level 5 is prepping you for the next few levels we're going to do. And now I'm going to take it back to levels 2 and 3. Levels 2 and 3 are, and this will even help you prep for level 6. Levels 2 and 3 will look like this. You get 3 times 1/5. So you could sit there and do your repeated addition like you did in level 1. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. Sorry, my pen's not working here. There we go. And you would get 3/5. Or you could do your multiplication because you might not want to sit there and do your repeated addition. This is repeated addition is exactly like level 1. So in order to do your multiplication, you would just multiply your whole number. So in this case, 3 times your numerator. So 3 times 1, which is 3. And your denominator stays the exact same. And you get 3/5 as your answer. Okay, so 3/5. Let me try another one. Let's say you have 4 times 2/3. Same kind of thing. You could sit there and write 2/3 out 4 times, and I'll do that to show you because it's exactly like level 1 with repeated addition. 2/3 plus 2/3 plus 2/3. when you add, you don't do anything with your denominator. You just get a third as your denominator. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Or you could just do your multiplication. Whole number times your numerator is 8, and your denominator is 3. Stays the exact same. We got the exact same answer. So if it helps you to write out the repeated addition, do it that way. Otherwise, just multiply your whole number times your numerator, and you get your fraction with your denominator staying the same of 8/3 like we did here. Okay, so just to review, we did our converting mixed numbers to an improper fraction. So something like 3 and, whoa, that's a crazy 3. 3 and 4/7. Turning that into an improper fraction would be 3 times 7 plus 4. Sorry, this is not working. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 4 would be 25/7. So that is level 5 there is your answer. And then we practiced our multiplying our whole numbers times our fractions. Any questions?